Okay, it's a little dark, but I got to move things around here, especially the crate with the light over here. So I'm going to start moving a bunch of these over. I want to clear up some space back there and get that crate filled right at the back, beside those crates that are filled with wood. So everything's going to slide over. I might have to pull down a crate or two and just take it out of the equation. Okay. Into this pile with the splitter. Anything that's turny or twisty, anything like that that's fresh, I'm going to make for smoker wood, so I'm going to cut into coins later. And there's a bunch of stuff that's got rot in the center, so I've just been trying to separate the rot and put out the rotten stuff aside, and then put the other pieces for boiler wood. And then some of these I'm even able to strip down the bark, or the rot, sorry, so that I can turn it into smoker wood. So a couple of these I put for boiler wood, but I brought them back here because there's nothing wrong with them. All the rot that was in the center, I chipped it off with the splitter. Later on, these big coins, I'm going to rip them down into coins too. Throttle, choke, pull. Okay, now that I got all that cleaned up, I'm going to cut up a bunch of this wood into smoker coins. And then I'm going to throw them in a pile behind the camera.
possible.
Sugar maple cleared up. There's still a lot left. I've probably done maybe about 2/5 of it, maybe about half. No, I'd say about 2/5 at most. But it's not finished yet because I got all that smoker wood over there. I got a couple of wheelbarrows here. I got one there from yesterday, and then this one here. So I'm going to dump it in the corner. So, anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, share, comment, and all that good stuff.